Elma 365 offers document registration that is a feature often needed in document management. To enable registration, you first need to configure document categorization. It's a workspace in the system that presents all the company's documents in a structured way, making it easier to keep records, search for documents, and register them. Let's start. In the Document Categorization Workspace menu, we'll select Records Classification Scheme Settings. Let's add an office. It can be an office or a subdivision where company documents will be registered. Let's call the one we're creating Head Office. In offices, we can create categories. These can be company departments, for example, Accounting Department, Legal Department, and Sales Department. In these categories, we can create folders in which all documents of a certain type, for example contracts, will be registered and stored. Folders can also be created in offices. Let's create the Supply Agreements folder in the head office. Document flows help to categorize documents and avoid confusion. For the documents we send, we will use the outgoing document flow. In the numbering field, you can define the way documents are numbered. If you choose Assign Numbers manually, users will number documents on their own. Let's select Automatic Numbering. You can also enable continuous numbering with another folder. You can read more about it in the Elma 365 Help Center. Let's look through the rest of the settings. Start value is the number that the document numbering is going to start with. Let's set 001. Increment is the interval between document numbers. For example, if you set the increment to 1, the first document will get number 001, the second one will get 002, etc. Minimum number of characters is the minimal number of characters in a document's number. In our case, numbering starts at 001, so the number has to include at least 3 characters. Number template is the template of a registration number. By default, the template consists of the index variable that stores the value of the index field. We can include other characters into the template. Let's set the following template and save the result. We also need to configure access to the office we created. To do that, we need to open the Offices menu and select Access Permissions. Let's click Add and select the Office Manager. This employee will be able to register documents in the head office. Now we need to set up registration in the app. Let's open the app menu and click Registration. We'll enable registration, select the folder we created, and make registration available to the specified employees and business process participants. Let's choose the Office Manager and click Save. Now only the employee we specified will be able to register documents. As we've set up registration, the registration section has appeared on the contract view form. Let's see how it works. The specified employee clicks Register Document and selects the folder. Information about the registration will appear on the view form: the registration number, the document flow, the folder, the employee who registered the document, and the registration date. The first registered document has appeared in the Document Categorization Workspace.